What's up, y'all? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and I'm back out here at the park this time with this 200 GT from LDARC, and I still got the Fishbone props on it. And I just wanted to have some wide open space to fly this thing so I can fly it harder, faster, and everything. And we're gonna see what this thing does with these props on it. I might switch out to the bob-bladed props too. The bob prop 50/50 from Cyclone. But first we're gonna try to run these. Unfortunately, as I mentioned in one of my previous videos, my eSheen monitor has died. So we're just going to be line of sight. Oh, actually, I do have some goggles here, and they have DVR. I think they're the VRD2s, so I'll try to record some of the footage there. The goggles. This goggle splits in half to a monitor. So let's fire this up. Let's do a punch out. Just trying to fly it around a little faster and harder than I was able to do at the normal place that I fly at. And then we're going to test the motor temperature. Okay, let's bring it in and check the motors. Let's see if the gyro is confused. We got a little bit of drift to the right, but let's bring it in. Wow. Still no heat on the motors there. And it's a pretty warm day out here. What'd you say, yo? Oh, well, thank goodness you're here.
Yo, Reg and John.
Yeah, I just talked to him there at a different field.
They was up. Listen, we agreed to meet up over here. 12.
They said they don't like the grass. They said the grass was too high for the gates, they were saying that the grass takes off.
It's gonna be grass over there too.
They said the grass was cut over there. That's what they claiming. And so
they're
they're telling me to try to talk you into coming over there.
They want to put gates on it, but when they put gates, they never run the gates. So like, what the hell is this?
They said they got the gates up there.
I don't know how that place is. I want to fly my plane over here. That's why I came over here. We agreed to meet up at 12 over here. 12:15, 12:10.
Mm-hmm.
He called like, yo, we're meeting up at Acro. I'm like,
have you seen this squad, man?
we already agreed to meet up over here.
So let's bring this thing in. No buzzer. It seems like you get a pretty nice flight time with this. Getting a little bit of the buzzer. I guess we can fly it all the way into LVC. So we got the buzzer now. No drift on it. And these motors are cold, guys. So let me stop the beeping in your ears. So these props are a go, definitely. And the motors aren't hot at all. They're barely even warm, they're cold. And so these 1806 motors can definitely spin these props with no problem, even though these are about 2 grams heavier, it seems like, than the original props. I think these are about 5.2 grams. I'll flash it on the screen if I'm right or not to show you guys how heavy these props are in comparison to the stock props. But it really flies nice with these props though. I really like it. A lot of control. It seems like it doesn't have a lot of momentum though. When you do punch outs and all, as soon as you let off the throttle, it slows down and stops immediately. When you're flying fast forward, it stops immediately. So I don't know if a lot of people will like that. That's probably not good for like freestyle, like diving over things, like using them. A lot of people use the momentum of the quad to float over things when they go upside down and all, do split S's over things and around things. Well, this one doesn't go far, so you're definitely gonna have to change a little the way that you fly a little to do those maneuvers and all. But as far as control, this thing is very stable with these props, and it seems really locked in. Like it turns on a dime, you know, and that's all from line of sight. I'm pretty sure I can probably get more accurate with my turns and all in FPV, but as far as line of sight, this thing is a really locked in quad, it seems like, with these props on it. So that's it. We really opened this thing up a little with these props on it, and still no heat from these motors. These motors are cold, guys. And this battery is a pretty nice battery. This is the GMB 850 milliamp hour battery. And that's the flight time that we get with this 4S battery and these props in this quad. Thanks for watching.